Hello. Okay, this is the instructions for using the C# client-side AI for the Windward Code Wars Acquire game. So you're going to unzip all your files and you'll go to the C# player AI.sln and run that, which brings up the solution. This file is the one you care about. This is where you do, you're also going to put in your avatar if you care how you look on that. But this is the one you care about. This is where you set everything up. This is where you handle it, the game. So you'll get a setup call at the beginning of every game, and it runs for 10 games when you're doing the competition. Anything you need to do to initialize your AI goes here. And then for each of the different things that can happen on a turn, it comes in here. So first it'll query the special powers before the turn. The only two things you can return there are place 4 tiles or draw 5 tiles. This is before your turn. Query tile only. When you place 4 tiles, you'll get this for the first 3 tiles, not the 4th one. And it'll ask you what to do on placing each tile. This is your normal turn, query a tile and purchase. So you place a tile and then you set what you want to purchase. Okay, and then this last one comes back. If stock gets merged, you'll get this once for each merge when you play. Obviously, you don't get to pick when other people merge. There are certain things here on what's going on that these are the classes that you will build up for those turns, on a merge, on a play tile, on a turn. These are the units. You'll take them into account when you do things, but I don't know that you'll ever have to edit anything in them. You'll just use them. And the framework is where the instructions come in, and again, you should not have to play with anything like that. So normally what you will do is you will run the server. That brings this up. Then you'll come back over here and you'll say start. Bingo, you are now running. We go back over to the server and it shows that you're now running, and you have this in here. One thing of note, if you click this, I'm not going to click it, and you'll get a little green triangle, a play triangle like that one. You're then at a point that if it's sitting like that, as soon as you join, boom, it just goes. This is very useful for fast debugging. This lets you avoid clicking lock. Yes, everyone's joined. This is what will be going on when you try. And here's the thing. You can single step. This is really useful. Bingo. You just played this tile. Gray means there's no hotel chain because there's not 2 together. A couple things you can do at this point is, number one, you can force, and you can force this for any player, not just yourself, that they will actually play a tile. But this is also useful that you can step through and see what's going on with everything. You can also run at any time. You can now pause if you want to dive in some more. You can stop if you want to stop the game. It's showing you what's played. You've got all your information up here about everybody. And with that, you should be going good. The one last thing I will point out to you is this is set up to use log4net. In fact, let me stop it. That'll make it easier. Get rid of that screen. But you can set up logging. Just like that, and it will log out to the log what's going on. This is extremely valuable because a lot of times when you want to see what's happened, it already occurred. You need to see what you played, what came in, and so forth. So there you go. Good luck. Bye.